Hi, I'm Hannah, and this is how to create the perfect pet space. Let's get into it. Creating a dedicated pet zone in your home is a great way to keep everything tidy and make sure your furry friend feels cozy and comfortable. Start with the bed. If you've got built-in cabinetry, cutting out a nook at floor level makes the perfect cozy spot. It keeps the bed neatly tucked away while giving your pet their own safe and comfortable place to sleep. Next, let's set up feeding and storage. A dedicated drawer works perfectly for a food container like the Paws and Claws pet food storer that comes in different sizes, depending on how much food you're keeping. Storing food in these airtight containers helps it stay fresh, whilst also keeping it tucked neatly away. On the countertop, you can keep a couple of jars filled with treats, like pedigree dentist sticks and schmackos, ready to go when it's time for training or rewarding any good behaviour. For accessories, add a few hooks inside a cupboard or on the wall to hang up leads and collars. It keeps them organised and right where you need them before heading out for a walk. A basket of toys is also a great idea. It keeps things under control and makes tidying up quick and easy. Finally, set up a feeding station with bowls for food and water in one spot. Keeping them together helps your pet know exactly where mealtime happens and keeps the space looking nice and neat. And there you have it, a pet space that's safe, organised and built to suit your home. If you'd like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.